Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best boat buffers on Amazon. Getting the best boat buffer can help you restore the beauty and elegance of your boat. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Black & Decker Polisher. With its comfortable two-hand design and 4400 orbits per minute speed for a swirl-free finish, Black + Decker 6-inch random orbit waxer polisher boat buffer is the most affordable polisher the market offers. This fiberglass marine buffer is well designed to ensure that you can have a large amount of control over what you are doing. The boat polisher buffer has a 10-foot cord, and the two-handle design allows you to easily move the buffer around your boat. Black + Decker provides a high-quality finish and includes a foam applicator, as well as a polishing bonnet for the perfect finish. What we like about it: 4400 orbits per minute speed for a swirl-free finish. Random orbit action assuring uniform finish. Large 10-foot cord. Comfortable two-hand design. Includes foam applicator. Polishing bonnet for a high-quality finish. Number 2. Chemical Guys Orbital Polisher. With its balanced ergonomic design, 8mm dual-action orbital throw, and 2800 to 7800 RPM power band, this random orbital polisher kit is a clear answer to your quest for the best boat buffer. This boat polish buffer is going to be able to remove swirls, scratches, and defects from your boat. The last touch you need to make is to apply wax to give it a high gloss finish. Despite its professional standard of quality, TORQX is very easy to use and simple to set up thanks to its lightweight construction. You can buy this top-rated boat buffer with a kit or just on its own depending on your preference. What we like about it: instantly removes scratches or filthy particles from vehicles. Applies wax, sealant, and glaze. 8mm dual-action orbital throw and 2800 to 7800 RPM power band. 3, 5, and 6-inch backing plates. Safety support ridge for increased stability. Hex Logic Quantum pads for the superb polishing job. Precision power controller. Number 3. Wen 10-inch polisher. Wen 10 PMC 10-inch waxer polisher boat buffer is a highly rated buffer for boat detailing, which has an innovative design with its wide handle, allowing you to apply extra pressure easily if needed. It runs off 3200 orbits per minute to give you a high level of shine and has a 0.75 ampere high-performance magnet motor. Wen 10 PMC has a high impact on insulated housing, which means that the device is highly durable. It also comes in a carry case. There are different bonnets to allow you to have different finishes. What we like about it: 0.75 ampere high-performance magnet motor. 3200 orbits per minute. High-impact insulated housing. Great for all types of surfaces. Kit includes 2 applicators bonnets, 2 polishing bonnets, 2 wool blend polishing bonnets, 1 wool blend washing mitt, and a blow-molded carrying case. Number 4. Megier's Dual Action Power System Tool. Masterworks 6 Random Orbital Waxer Buffer Kit Boat Buffer is an excellent boat buffing kit with 6-speed variable control between 1500 to 6800 RPM and a 6-inch dual-action polisher with a detachable handle. The result is a great cleaning solution. Masterworks has a powerful motor that has a random orbit motion to leave a great polish that is swirl-free, as well as a 6-speed control dial to use the device as you wish. Its rubberized body will also make it very easy to move around and comfortable to hold it. What we like about it: 6-speed variable control between 1500 to 6800 RPM. 6-inch dual-action polisher with a detachable handle. Easy enough for beginners to operate. Random orbit and swirl-free polish action. 3 foam pads. Number 5. Megier's MT300 Variable Speed Polisher. Just another great buffer for boat detailing. Megier's MT300 Dual Action Variable Speed Polisher Boat Buffer has a soft start to enable you to easily control the device immediately after switching it on. It also has a thumb-adjustable speed dial so that you can increase the speed with ease. With an adjustable speed dial of 3000 to 7500 orbits per min, Megear's MT300 has an ergonomic design, enabling you to hold the device comfortably, even when you've been using it for a long time. What we like about it: thumb adjustable speed dial 3000 to 7500 orbits per min. Digital torque management. Dual action variable speed polisher. Soft start and is lightweight. Ergonomic design. Multi-position D-handle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.